Hey, Jami. Listen, I need you to prepare some slides for our customers that explains how they can prepare for an SAP audit.
Oh, sure. Anything in particular?
Just do the 5 main steps for now. I want every customer to feel like an audit specialist.
Let's start with step 1. Don't panic. An audit request from the Global License Audit and Compliance Department is not the end of the world. The auditor will provide links to the support portal and can answer all your questions. You will also have the chance to ask any questions that you might have about SAP auditing or any license questions that come to mind. Step 2. Scheduling and preparation. An SAP system measurement must be well prepared. You find a summary of the scope of the license audit in the notification email. If you have questions regarding the audit process or given timeline, just contact the auditor. Step 3. System cleanup. To make sure the measurement is complete and accurate, it is important that your system landscape is maintained on the support portal. Once that is done, check your systems as such. System status. Include on productive systems your productive clients. On your development systems, a customizing client. Price list. Make sure the correct price list is chosen and activated on the systems. Users. Every user must be classified according to their activities and authorizations on the system. Notes. Please verify the note suggestions by the auditor in the email. This will ensure a correct measurement of engines. Step 4. Measurement tools. Measurement of SAP products requires different measurement tools. USMM and LEW are the standard measurement tools for all ABAP systems. For business objects, the Java-based LMBI measurement tool is required. Helpful links to those tools can be found in the description below as well as in the initial mail sent by the auditor. Last but not least, step 5. Check the self-declaration products. There are several license metrics which are not measurable. Employees is a good example. These metrics need to be self-declared by you in order to guarantee a thorough measurement result. More information can also be found in the support portal linked in the description below.
Hey, how's it going?
Pretty good. I'm all done actually.
Awesome, let me see. It's beautiful.
I know.
Anyway, that's cool, good work. Maybe we should do another technical deep dive video next.
Stay tuned.